Let's have a look at this grade 9 question. It's a mixture of two topics, similar shapes and dealing with powers and indices. Okay, so first step is just considering scale factors. We have information about the area of solid A and the area of solid B. So to find out the scale factor, let's do 7,776 divided by 486, which is 16. Okay, that's the scale factor for area. So we need to square root it. If we wanted the scale factor for length, I'm just going to put the scale factors over here. Square root of 16 is 4. And we cube it. This linear scale factor, the scale factor for length, to get the scale factor for volume. So just as a recap, scale factor for length, square to get the scale factor for area, cube to get the scale factor for volume. You would cube root to get from volume to height for the scale factor, and square root to get from the area to length for scale factor. Okay, so what's next? We need to figure out what x is. We can't really do anything else with the height until we know the value of x. And we have this information, and we know our scale factor now. So I know that 2 to the power of x plus 4 multiplied by 64 gives us the volume for solid A, which is 8 to the power x. And why is it that way round? Can you see solid B has a smaller area than solid A? So I need to kind of multiply the scale factors this way. Okay. Right, let's just look at this. I'm looking at it and thinking I can see a lot of powers of 2 here. So let's write everything as a power 2. 64 is 2 to the power of 6. And 8 is 2 cubed. So we've got 2 cubed times x. So let me just open up those brackets there. Power to a power, we just multiply the indices, right? So it's 2 to the power 3x. Now, when you're multiplying powers and the base is the same, we just add our powers. So we can add together x plus 4 plus 6. Now we have them both as a single power of 2. We can put the x plus 4 plus 6, which is x plus 10, equal to 6. Okay, let's solve this equation now. Let's take an x off both sides and divide both sides by 2, which gives us x is 5. So solid A is 3 to the power 5, which is 243. We know the scale factor is 4. 243 divided by 4, because we're going to the smaller solid B, 60.75 is the final answer.